Hello students, today I am going to practice trigonometry, slight base level as well as high level questions for class 8, 9, 11, 12 and competitive exam. Okay, there is a very vital question that questions are coming in the competitive exam. Though it is coming in the competitive exam, but it is also vital for to learn the lower class level from class 9, 10, 11, 12 and for any competitive exam you have to face this type of question on trigonometry chapter. Okay, see the question number 1. Sin theta value given a square minus 1 by a square plus 1, and you have to find out the value of sec theta plus tan theta. See, these are the question come already came in the exam. These are the exam given in the year 2012. How to solve? How to solve very quickly this type of stuff just to see. As you know, sin theta formula is what? P by h perpendicular by basic concept you have to require, and from there you have to find out the value of sec theta and tan theta. Okay. Question given number 1, sin theta value given, and you have to find out sec theta plus tan theta. How to solve? Very quickly, just to see. The questions related high skill level questions on trigonometry. Okay, just to see. Number 1. What is the question given here? Question given sin theta is equal to a square minus 1 by a square plus 1. A square plus 1. As you know, you draw one right hand triangle. This angle theta. Just I am explaining. This is perpendicular. This is base. This one is hypotenuse. Okay, the sin theta formula is what? As you know, sin theta formula is P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So from here, you can get base. Base will be how much? For right hand triangle, base will be how much? Just use Pythagoras theorem. A square minus p square root over. This will be what? H means what here? A square plus 1 whole square minus p means here a square minus 1 whole square root over. As you know, the formula is what? A plus b whole square minus a minus whole square. Formula is 4ab, means 4a square. Root over will be how much? The answer is 2a. The base you are getting 2a, and you have to find out sec a plus tan, sec theta plus tan theta. Therefore, sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta formula is what? H by b. H by b. Tan theta formula is what? P by b. Now put the value of h. H equal to how much here? H means here a square plus 1 base how much you got? That is 2a. Right here 2a. And here perpendicular is how much? Perpendicular is a square minus 1 by, because sin theta value given here P by h, a square minus 1 by a square plus 1. Comparing P equal to this one and h equal to this one. Therefore, P is equal to a square minus 1 by b. B is how much you got? 2a. The LCM will be how much? 2a. Now, if you add the 1 plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. 2a square by 2a. The final answer is what? A. So, what is the value of sec theta plus tan theta? That is A. See the question, very easy question. Question has come already in the exam, annual competitive exam. In lower class also you have to practice for 9, 10, 11, 12 up to competitive exam. Higher skill level questions on trigonometry. Sin theta value given. As you know, sin theta formula is what? P by h perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, you have to draw on right hand angle. Just concept based question. Base you have to find out a square minus p square root over. I explained here 2a. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Formula 4ab. 4a into b, that is 2a root over. Sec theta plus tan theta, you will find this is the way of solving number 1. Let us go number 2 question. Just see. Question number 2 given. Just see the question number 2 given. If sec theta plus tan theta if sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 5 by 3, you have to find out the value of sin theta. How to find out? First of all, you have to study the question very thoroughly. After that, you have to go through the answer part. Sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta. How much given? 5 by 3. Just see. Number 2 question I am solving for you. Number 2. What is given here? Just copy here. Sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec theta minus tan theta. How much given it is? 5/3. Okay. And what you have to find out? The value of sin theta you have to find out. As you know, sec theta means what? 1 by cos. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Same thing here also. That means by cos cancel. Left 1 plus sin theta. Directly I am doing because these are short type question. And this is 1 minus sin theta. Okay. Equal to 5/3. Just cross multiply. This will be 3 plus 3 sin theta. And this side will be how much? 5 minus 5 sin theta. All the sin theta take one side. This will be 8 sin theta. Will be how much? 5 minus 3, that is 2. So what is the value of sin theta? That means sin theta is equal to 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. This is the way of solving and finding the value of sin theta. Question given sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 5/3 given. And you have to find out the value of sin theta. How quickly I am solving, that is the way of solve. Okay, solution part. As you know, sec theta is equal to, I have to write the formula if you have not remembered. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta, as you know, and tan theta formula is what? Sin theta by cos theta. So what is the LCM? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Here also 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. By cos theta cancel. This is the final. Okay, after cross multiplication we are getting sin theta. Let us go number 3 question. Just see. See the question number 3. Alpha, beta and gamma are acute angle. You know what is acute angle? Less than 90 degree. Such that sin alpha given √3/2, cos beta given √3/2, tan gamma given 1. Then what you have to find out? Then find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. See, the question came in the exam CDS 2013. This type of question in the exam, if you will prepare from lower class, from class 9, 10, it will be more easier to face competitive in future. After graduation, you will not feel difficult. Okay. What are the tricks applied here? Just to follow here. Alpha, beta, gamma are acute angle. I am explaining in detail. Such that sin alpha का value given, cos beta value given, and tan gamma value given. And first of all, you find what is the value of alpha, beta, gamma. Then you have to add. Just see. Number 3 question. What is given here? Sin alpha equal to √3/2. As from the table values, sin alpha is equal to sin how much? √3/2. Sin 60. Because sin 60 equal to √3/2. Therefore, alpha is equal to 60 degree. You got alpha values. Next, cos beta. Cos beta is equal to given how much? √3/2. Cos beta given also √3/2. Okay. Cos beta. Cos how much √3/2? Tell. Cos 30. Because cos 60 is 1/2. Cos 30 is √3/2. Cos 30 is √3/2. Comparing both sides, beta is equal to how much? 30 degree. Okay. And last one given, and tan gamma is equal to 1 given. As you know, tan gamma, tan 45 is equal to 1. Therefore, gamma is equal to how much? Gamma is equal to 45 degree. All the values of alpha, beta, gamma you got or not? Okay. And your target to find out alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha how much you got? 60 degree. Beta how much you got? 30 degree. And gamma equal to 45 degree. How much you are getting? 90 plus 45, that is 135. So what is the answer? 135 degree. Okay. Questions are very easy questions. Okay. Let us go next number. See the question number 4. Question given, alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree and alpha is to beta is equal to 2:1. Then the value of sin alpha into sin beta you have to find out. See, sum of alpha plus beta given, that means alpha plus beta given 90 degree and alpha into beta, alpha is to beta ratio form given, alpha is to beta 2:1. First of all, you have to find out the value of alpha and beta. After that, putting the value of alpha and beta here, you can get the result. What you will find out? Find the value of sin alpha is to sin beta. How to find out? Just see. What is given here? Alpha plus beta given 90 and alpha is to beta given 2:1. Therefore, alpha will be, as for the ratio properties, alpha is equal to 2 by 2 plus 1, that is 3, and their addition will be 90. This is the, that means 3, how much getting? 60 degree. And beta will be how much? Ratio is what? 1, that means 1 by 3 into 90 degree, that is 30 degree. Therefore, alpha plus beta, how much you got? Alpha and beta, one is 60 degree, another is 30 degree. Next you have to find out sin alpha is to sin beta. Now just put the value of sin alpha. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is 60 degree, that means sin 60 is to sin beta is sin 30. Sin 60 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. I am writing by sin 30 is how much? 1 by 2. So by 2 cancel. The final result will be what? Root 3 is to 1. So what is the result? Sin alpha is to sin beta, result you got root 3 is to 1. Root 3 is to 1. How we are getting? How quickly you have to solve? Now you got or not? Alpha plus beta given 90 degree and alpha is to beta given 2:1. Therefore, alpha will be first ratio 2 by total into 90 degree, 60 degree. Beta equal to second ratio by total into 90 degree, that means 30 degree. Sin alpha is to sin beta, just put in the value of alpha and beta, you are getting the result root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 cancel, root 3 is to 1. Okay, number 4 question completed. Let's go on number 5. See the question number 5. Question given like this: if sin A is equal to 5 by 13, sin A value given 5 by 13, find the value of tan A plus A. How to find out? Now, sin A, as you know, it is given 5 by 13, as you know, sin theta formula is what? P by hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Therefore, you can get base in a right hand angle, you have to draw if you are for your convenient. Okay, this angle is suppose A, this angle is A. Just write the name here, ABC. If this angle is A, this will be base, this will be perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse in a right hand angle. Base, how will you get? H square minus P square root over by using Pythagoras theorem. That means 13 square minus 5 square root over, how much it will be? 169 minus 25, that is 144, 12. Okay, base here you are getting 12. After getting the value of base, therefore tan A plus sec A. What is the formula for tan A? Tan means P by B plus sec means 6 cos theta is what? B by H. This will be H by B. Now LCM is what? B. That means P plus H. Now put the value of here. P equal to how much? P equal to how much? Just to see. P equal to 5. P is equal to 5 and H equal to 13. 13. And base how much you got? Base 12. So what is the result you are getting? That means 18 by 12. Just cancel. 6, 3, 6, 2. So what is the answer? 3 by 2. Very easy question. Okay, let us go number 6 question. Just see. See the question number 6. If tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, find the value of 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. Tan theta value given and you have to find out this one. How quickly you have to solve? Just to see. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Tan theta formula is what? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, and you have to find out 3 sin theta. Do one thing here, 3 you multiply there. That means this will be 3 sin theta and you need 2 cos theta. Yes or no? Both numerator as well as denominator, 2 cos theta. From here, from 4 you take 2 here, that is 2 cos theta. What is left here? 2 left and here 1 left. See, this is the technique I have applied here. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. 4 by 3 is given in the question. Just copy here for your convenience. we need 3 sin theta. Just these 3 you have to multiply here, 3 sin theta, and from 4 I have taken 2 here and 2 left, 2 by 1. Now using the ratio properties, that is called componendo and dividendo, using the properties componendo and dividendo in ratio properties, this will be 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. See how quickly I am solving. Next it will be 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta using componendo and dividendo in ratio proportion properties. And this side will be same thing, 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. And this value will be how much you are getting? 3 by 1 means answer is 3. Answer is 3. Okay. Tan theta value given, you have to find out. So the question is looking difficult, but if you know the tricks of solving, within a second you can solve all the trigonometrical sums, not only trigonometry, all the chapter. Okay, today I am concentrating on the trigonometry. Though I have completed so many sums from different classes, therefore I am interested to solve the questions that are coming in the competitive exam. See, if tan theta value given 4 by 3, you have to find out this value. Okay, this value, these are the questions came in the exam, SSC exam 2011, SSC exam in 2011. This question means you have to solve within a second. Tan theta means I am explaining, therefore taking time. But if you know the tricks, just you have to rub the required sin theta by cos theta equal to this. From here you take 3 and from 4 you take 2 here. Then using componendo and dividendo properties of ratio proportion, you are getting answer is 3. Okay, let us go next number, just 7. See the question number 7. Sec theta minus cosec theta is equal to 0 given. Find the value of tan theta plus cot theta. See, this question also came in the exam, SSC exam 2013. Sec theta minus cosec theta value given, you have to find out tan theta plus cot theta. See, the options given like this, just to see. 0, 1, minus 1, 2. SSC 2013 question came. Okay. See, these are the question, level question is class 9, 10. Now, 9, 10 base. Sec theta minus cosec theta equal to 0 given. That means what? Sec theta equal to cosec theta. Yes or no? Sec means what? 1 by cos theta. And cosec means 1 by sin theta. So finally you are getting sin theta by cos theta equal to 1. That means tan theta equal to how much you are getting? Equal to 1. Tan theta 1 means theta will be how much? 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Because tan 45 equal to 1. Next you have to find out tan theta value plus cot theta value. Okay, that means tan 45 plus cot 45. You know tan 45 is 1, cot 45. What is the answer? The answer is 2. Okay, this is the way of solving very quickly. If you know the tricks, then it will be more easier to solve and you can easily score 100% in math. Okay, the tricks if you know, that I am showing the different types of tricks applied solving the different type of trigonometrical question. Though the questions are coming in the competitive exam, but your base level is coming from 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, very easy type question. Sec theta minus cosec theta given equal to 0. From there you are getting tan theta equal to 1. As you know, 1 means tan 45, theta is equal to 45. After the getting the value of angle, then you can easily find tan theta plus cot. So orally you can solve it. Let us go next number. Okay, just see the next question I am taking from the competitive exam book. 2 cot theta is equal to 3 given. 2 cot theta is equal to 3 given. First of all, you have to study the question for a second and you have to find out the value of 2 cos theta minus sin theta by 2 cos theta plus sin theta. What is the given? 2 cot theta equal to 3. Now, just you see. 2 cot, you know what is the formula for cot theta? That is cos theta by sin theta. 2 cos theta by sin theta is equal to how much? 3 means 3 by 1 you can write here. Okay, 3 means 3 by 1. Now, you need 2 cos theta minus sin theta by 2 cos theta plus 1. Using componendo and dividendo, the formula is 2 cos theta plus sin theta and here denominator will be 2 cos theta minus sin theta. The result is 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. How much you are getting? 4 by 2. That means 1 by 2. See, you need just reciprocal of this one. Therefore, final answer will be 2 cos theta minus sin theta divided by 2 cos theta plus sin theta is equal to how much? The reciprocal of this one, this will be 2. So this is the answer. Okay. Today I have completed 8 questions. 2 more questions I will do, and next the remaining sums. Okay. Just to see next sum. Next question I am doing number 9. Taken the question from the competitive exam. See, this question came in the exam CDS, Combined Defense Service, in 2013. In CDS Combined Defense Service 2013, this question came. The question is like this: tan theta plus sec theta is equal to m, and you have to find out value of sec theta. For this question, you have to draw one right angle triangle. Because it is trigonometry, means you have to draw one right angle triangle. Always the hypotenuse of the largest side, you take this one as x square plus 1, and perpendicular take as x square minus 1, and this should take as 2x, and this angle be theta. As you know, a square minus b square is equal to b square. If you apply this whole square minus this whole square, will give you 2x. Okay, this is the tricks you have applied here. If tan theta plus sec theta is equal to m, means m is equivalent to x, then the sec theta formula is what? Sec theta formula is cos theta formula b by h. This will be h by b. Here h means what? Hypotenuse 90 degree front side, that is x square plus 1 by b means base, that is 2x, and here x means here m given. So what is the answer? That will be m square plus 1 by 2m. This is the answer. Okay. So the question is looking difficult. Tan theta plus sec theta is equal to m given, and find the value of sec theta. The sec theta answer is m square plus 1 by 2m. See the question. I am showing the question from the book. See the number question 32. If tan theta plus sec theta is equal to m, then what is the value of sec theta? Okay, the answer is B, m square plus 1 by 2m. The question came in the exam CDS 2013. The question looking difficult, if you know the tricks, it will be easy to solve within a second. Okay, last question today I am doing, that is number 10 from my serial number is number 10 question. Question number 10, just see. See the next question I am taking from the book. See the question here given. Number 52. If sec a plus tan a is equal to alpha, then find the value of cos a. See, there the question came in the exam 2016 mains exam. Okay, CGL, SSC. Okay, these are the very type important question. Okay, how to solve? Same formula you have to apply here. As it is given sec a plus tan a is equal to alpha, the previous formula you can apply here. Okay, your cos a formula will be how much? Just I am writing the answer here, just equivalent to number 8. Cos a formula is b by h, base by hypotenuse. From the last figure you see base equal to how much? 2x, and hypotenuse is x square plus 1. Just put the value of x means here alpha, that means 2 alpha by alpha square plus 1. So if you know the tricks, math means everywhere you have to apply the tricks. The answer is how much? Just see there are 4 options given here. So which is the correct option? I have taken alpha, it is alpha, but here answer given in terms of a. Anyway, if it is alpha, then you have tried the alpha. So what is the answer? 2 alpha by alpha square plus 1. 2 alpha by alpha square plus 1. This is the answer B. Okay. Next question I am doing for your demand. Students are demanding. Last question I am doing. Okay, just see. See the next question. Sec a plus sec theta plus tan theta equal to 2 given. Find the value of sec theta. Same formula to apply. What is the value of sec theta? As you know, cos theta formula b by h, this will be h by b. From the last figure, h means here how much? That is x square plus 1. Yes or no? X square plus 1, and base is how much? 2x. Okay, x square plus 1 by 2x. Now put the value of x. So what is the value of x here? 2. That 2 square is how much? 4. 4 plus 1 by 2 into 2. How much you are getting? The answer is 5 by 4. Okay, the answer is sec theta formula is 5, h by b, the answer is 5 by 4. I hope you are able to understand the tricks applied in trigonometry solving the different types of question coming in the competitive exam, though competitive exam question, but the best starting from class 9, 10. Okay, thank you for today class. Next we will continue.